Today, we're diving into the features of the VBENLEM Camping Kitchen Table, your ultimate companion for outdoor cooking adventures. This portable and foldable camp cook table is designed with great space management in mind, allowing you to organize your food, stoves, grills, and cookware efficiently on its aluminum tabletop, zippered storage compartments, and side tables. Setting up is a breeze, as this cooking station unfolds and packs up in minutes without any tools, fitting neatly into a compact Oxford cloth bag for easy transport. Built to last, it boasts durable aluminum tubes and a high-quality MDF countertop, reinforced by an X-shaped structure for enhanced stability and security. The thoughtful design includes a 3-side windscreen for effective heat retention and a lampstand for nighttime illumination, making it perfect for any adventure, whether you're RV traveling, camping, or hosting a backyard barbecue. Elevate your outdoor experience with this versatile camping kitchen table that provides a sturdy surface for all your cooking and storage needs. So, gear up for your next adventure and enjoy the great outdoors with the VBENLEM Camping Kitchen Table. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.